Hi, this is Josh Stamper, full-time retail investor focused on biotech and healthcare companies. Today my quick pitch is on BiomX Incorporated. The reasons I like BiomX Incorporated: they are owned by one of the best performing biotech hedge funds, newly listed and purchased by that hedge fund, diversified pipeline with high barriers to entry, solid cash position, good report and price target from Cantor Fitzgerald, and a low short position. BiomX Incorporated develops precision medicines using both natural and engineered phage cocktails, targeting harmful bacteria in conditions such as acne, IBD, liver disease, and cancer. BiomX is traded under ticker PHGE on the New York Stock Exchange, and there's 22.8 million shares outstanding. The hedge fund I like is OrbiMed, a top-performing fund in this sector. BiomX was listed in October 2019 through a merger with Chardon Healthcare Acquisition Corp. Ticker was CHAC. Clearly, OrbiMed has done research on this company and likes something. They own about 10% of the company. BiomX has 4 drugs in their pipeline, 1 in phase 1-2 studies, and 3 in preclinical. I like that BiomX has high barriers to entry and large potential patient populations in each drug candidate. I'm not going to get into the science, data, or study designs today, but I suggest visiting their website to view their full presentation if you're interested in that information. 2 upcoming inflection points that I want to note are the release of phase 1 data from their acne drug in the first half of 2020, and another inflection point for the phase 2 data of their acne drug in the second half of 2020, which they have around $85 million in cash, which would most likely last them through those inflection points. OrbiMed, again, top performing hedge fund in this space, worth following. They own about 2.3 million shares, 10%, and Johnson & Johnson owns about the same amount of shares, roughly 10%. It was nice to see that Cantor Fitzgerald initiated coverage with a rating of strong buy and a price target of $16. And it's really important to note that there is not a large short position on this company, as large short positions in this space definitely represent that there could potentially be something wrong. And for all you macro guys, the healthcare sector is typically a good sector for Quad 4. So to summarize my 6 reasons for liking BiomX: it's owned by OrbiMed, newly listed and a new position for OrbiMed, diversified pipeline with high barriers to entry, $85 million in cash, a $16 price target, and a strong buy rating from Cantor Fitzgerald, and a low short position. Thanks for listening to my presentation on BiomX Incorporated.